Hi everyone, this is the Blink XT security camera. I just received it. I'm going to open this baby. I cannot wait. I cannot wait. I just got it and I want to share it with you. Here it is. One security camera system, Blink XT smart home security camera system, battery powered, outdoor, indoor HD video, simple installation, no contracts, completely wire free. All right, let's see requirements. 2.4 gigahertz 802.11 network in mobile device, iOS or Android. Apps you can use also in the box: one Blink XT camera, one sync cable, one USB cable, one power adapter, 2 AA lithium batteries, one mounting kit, one quick start guide. Amazon Alexa, it's affiliated with Amazon, and I think it's compatible with the Echo Dot that is powered by Alexa. So let's go ahead and open this baby up. Here is the actual camera. Look at this baby, it's small. I thought it was going to be a little bit bigger than this. Okay. All right, let's see. Here's the sync module. I'm so excited, you guys. I really wanted this. Okay, here's the sync module. All right, let's move this out the way. All right, oops. All right, we have the camera accessories. You got some AA batteries. Here's the mounting bracket for your wall. Here is the AA batteries. Okay, and in here we have USB sync cable and micro USB adapter. All right, we have quick start guide. All right, important information about Blink XT. Okay, instructions on the back. All right, everybody, I gotta say this, as far as the features on this baby, let's see what it says. All right, superior technology, affordable home security, 2-year battery life. You don't have to plug it up if you don't want to. Instant peace of mind. So you don't have to get those premium contracts with the other boys that want all your money. All right, so 2-year battery life, motion detection, waterproof for outside, infrared light, night vision for inside or outside, video alerts, live view, free cloud storage and microphone for listening. Like I said, this is the most affordable solution. Everybody, I would get this baby if I was you. My name is Keith. Thank you for viewing my video. Please like and subscribe for later videos that I will share about technology. Thank you and have a great day. Bye-bye.